meadow trading post in Fort Wilderness. And again, they've got souvenirs, but if you forgot something, of course, kind of like every RV park, they've always got drinks, and they got stuff for the RV if you need anything, cooking stuff. It's a full little general store, and then of course they've got souvenirs. But thought I'd share that with you at the meadow. Now this is the smaller one of the two. There's a larger one also, but there are two of them. But kind of giving you the synopsis of the fort. I know there's plenty of YouTube channels out there and videos on the fort, but we're going to give our twist on it also. Well, I guess when you're at Disney, you trade in your mask and get a new mask. So I got a Mickey.
I got Minnie.
You got a Mickey. And
you didn't get Mickey.
I got Minnie.
And Megan got Minnie.
Look at my hair. It's like curling.
Yeah. Pay no attention to these ears. I should have got Dumbo because it makes my ears stick out.
Goofy.
Here, y'all are goofy. All right. Anyway, at the fort doing Disney with new masks.
Hey, just letting y'all know, make sure to rent a golf cart reservation when you book your stay here, because they sell out fast.
True. So while you're at Fort Wilderness, there are certain things that you need to look for. And I only know this because we watch tons of YouTube videos. Go figure.
It's in the parks too.
And it's in the park. So one of the things you'll find is a hidden Mickey, and Megan found it. So where's it at, Megan?
Right here. On the grate. It's on the grate right there.
Hidden Mickey.
No. Hidden Mickey.
Hidden Mickey. Mike, how come you didn't find the hidden Mickey?
I didn't watch the YouTube
He
video.
didn't watch the YouTube video.
Megan already did. That's how she knew where it was.
No, I didn't.
Cheater.
I didn't cheat. No, grab mine out of the Jeep. You said you saw it.
So we're on the ferry to Magic Kingdom. I don't even have anything to tell you. They got a ferry. You can take a bus. You can drive. I would not advise the drive. The boats seem to be running frequently, but I will tell you this: due to COVID, they're not filling them up. So be aware of that. I'm not sure with the buses if they're limited to buses or not, but just be aware that they are not filling the boats up anyway. But on our way to Magic Kingdom anyway. See you there.
Okay, I'll let you out then. You guys get back in here. We're at the park.
Well, guys, we're here. We are at the Magic Kingdom, and as you can see behind me, we're about to go through. Went through our temperature screening. Looks like everybody's okay. Caitlin's a little upset. She wanted to get out of her stroller while we were on the boat, but that's okay. She's moving now, so she's a little bit better. So anyway, we're ready to share this adventure with you, kicking it Van Vogt style. Well, that's until we back.
Feels good.